Magwenya uthi umengameli uRamaphosa akanabo obudlelwane noma ukusebenzisana ngamabhizinisi nomshana wakhe uHangwani Maumela nowahlomula ngethenda lezigidigidi zamarandi ezibhedlela zaseGauteng.
The president has no further knowledge of Maumela, nor has he ever had any relationship with him. Furthermore, the president does not have any knowledge of Mr. Maumela's business dealings. Neither was he aware of his involvement with the Tembisa Hospital or any other state entity. The president expects law enforcement agencies to conduct their investigations without any fear of favor, regardless of who may be involved, and to arrest those who are or were party to malfeasance.
Uthi Umengameli Ramaphosa uzohlangabezana nosuku lwangesonto nomnqamlajuqu ukwethula izethulo ephalamende mayelana nokwephula umthetho ngokwebiwa kwemali engamadola asemelika eplazini lakhe iphalaphala.
The president will deliver his submission to the inquiry panel by 6 November 2022 as per the published rules of the panel. As you will know, those rules do not provide for a direct in-person engagement, so the president will comply with that deadline and those rules.
Ekulweni nodlame oluyamene nobulili, uMagwenya uthi umengameli uqoqozelwe indlela umphakathi osebenzisa ngayo nohulumeni ukulwa nalesihlava.
The president was encouraged by the enthusiasm, the level of involvement of civil society in working together closely with government in fighting GBVF. And so the president remains confident that we will continue to improve in this regard. He did focus a lot on a dialogue that needs to be held amongst men and their role, not only in the perpetuation of GBVF, but also in their role in preventing cases of GBVF.